That is something that should be going full force, and I'm not seeing it that much. I don't know if there's a shortage in pumpkin spice, but there is not that much.
Oh, that's a lie. What, as far as like things, or are you talking like beer or
Everything. There's everything. There's not that much.
I watch a chick that she kind of reviews, like she's like they call her a self-spurt, like she drinks seltzer.
I'm sorry.
Right, like the ooh, is that a rock? Yeah, it's a rock.
Yes.
Going around the rock. And she like rated these. It's like 20. I think there was 20 beers of like pumpkin spice related stuff, and some of them apparently were actually like really good.
We're gonna hit this little island right here to the right here, Kay.
Oh, you want me to stop? That's what you're saying.
Might as well. Well, I'd shoot over.
We already know. We already know.
That's when I find
that.
Yeah.
Crate.
When I find the
storage crate.
Yes. Oh, I see a lot of phantoms. I'm gonna get me my sword. And then the new Jack-O-Looter cutlass is so neat.
I just like how you match the boat. Oh, we're coming in kind of hot.
And not bad. You're alright. You got this. Where are we at? Alright, let's take down a couple of these phantoms ahead. Hey, they shot back.
I'm gonna lower the anchor just a minute.
One down.
All those shots and you only got one? I'm missing.
Three tends to do it.
I'm just looking
got
for
some
money
pouches.
Yep.
Yeah, money pouches.
Here, you do all the work and I'll collect the gold.
Yeah, just grab them. It's awesome. Oh, by the way, your name today... What is that? Oh, it's a chicken. Your name at the moment is Trading Isidro.
Trading Isidro.
Yeah, that's not like Mao Chow, whatever it was.
I like the other one.
Yeah, but they change it randomly. Oh, there's a captain here. Captain Kangaroo.
Oh, how cute.
And they're fighting.
Let them fight to the death. Oh, I missed. Oh.
Just took a blunderbuss to the face.
Sure shot Shaw. He doesn't even have a gun.
Didn't give him a chance. Oh, Yorick, I know you well.
Did he not drop the skull?
He did. I got it.
Oh.
I'm running away.
I think he gave us a quest.
He did. So, and it's probably on this island, so we should check it. This massive island, which is basically a giant sandbar.
Oh, that's cute.
Be careful, because a lot of times captains like doing mega kegs. And that's usually when things blow up.
Is it this one? Yep, it's this one. Hold on. Oh. The sonic boom is what we want.
The sonic boom?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Oh no, that's a good chest.
That's a captain's chest. Yeah, the mega kegs are... I mean, sometimes they'll have... Look at all these pouches. There's 6 gold pouches here.
Oh, wow.
We're clearing up on the low gold levels here. Well, that's not bad. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4... That's quick 4,000 bucks. Ow. Sit there, shoot me. I can't hit you with a banana. Why can't I hit you with a banana? Where's the other ones? There you are. Ow, he nailed me. I am down.
Oh wait, hold on. I'm coming. I might not make it in time, but it did. Oh, I'm over the stairs. Hold on, hold on. All right.
I think I can control that.
Right.
Watch it, something behind you. Well, I'm gonna just sit here and collect stuff because we're getting like 6-7 grand in gold. Pesky little
I'm about
buggers.
to die, just so you know. Just watch out for me. Oh, yeah, come pick me up.
I know. I'll get you. I'll get you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. More gold stuff.
All right.
Let's see. That was another 2,500.
Oh, can you pick me up again? Look.
Wow. Hang on. I'm almost dead myself. Nope. I can't do it. Sorry. And I'm dead. Pesky little buggers. Pesky little buggers. I'm in a pumpkin costume. How effective can you be?
Right. It just so happens to match the ship.
It just happens to match the ship. Hey,
You
I
and the
can
steering
spin my
wheel
head.
look the same.
I can spin. I can spin my head. It's awesome.
Oh look, we got a green one. We got a green flame.
You got a greenie.
I got an accommodation for it.
Did you now? That's awesome.
All right, let's go kick booty.
Okay.
I'm trying to make it appropriate for the peeps.
Is that trying to talk like a pirate?
Yes.
Kick booty. Was there only one treasure chest on the?
No, there's another one. Another one.
Well, apparently you found it.
First try.
2 captain's chests, enough. There's more gold pouches laying here. Damn, phantoms are giving them up today.
It's about time.
Yeah, really. You go through 80 of them and you get a pouch. It's like, that's not cool. Is that it on the treasure?
Yeah, I think
yet
so.
There is a chicken leg sitting here doing nothing.
Not a chicken leg. It's a message in a bottle. I don't know if it's anything to. Oh,
Does it look encrusted?
not encrusted. Well, there's 2 now. Oh. Glinting, gleaming, shining, twinkling. On Wander's Refuge, I have an inkling. How cute.
Yeah, pirates are not the most.
Then there's another one that says, if treasure ye seek, and heed my word, Flintlock Peninsula should be preferred.
Yes. Okay, well, we are out in the middle of nowhere, so we got a couple quests here. Let me get my blender out. Switch back to my blender. I definitely like double gun when I'm on my boat, and I prefer pistol, sword. Oh, that was nice. Pistol,
Excuse
sword
me. Sorry.
when
I
it comes
forgot.
to... Wow.
Such a lady.
Such a lady she is. Okay, so the one was where now? I was distracted
Hold on.
because Aurora is literally on the opposite. Flint Peninsula is literally completely the other side of the map.
Flintlock Peninsula.
Yeah, that's on the other side of the map.
Or Wander's Refuge.
Which is, I don't think, as far. Let me look. Wander's Refuge was right here. Okay, so we can do that one. That one is, we go past Golden Sands and go southeast and see what we can see.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so you said where? Southeast?
Southeast.
Southeast.
That's a little lower than just southeast.